What's up, guys? Does this look any different? I got a new place to shoot videos and we're going to talk about that right after the intro. Ready? Okay, so I recently moved. This is the new place. I have a new studio to shoot videos. What do you think? Does it look good? I kind of love it. It's more me. It's more my own, more my style. So trying something out. If you like it, cool. A little channel update. I'm going to keep busting out videos. I'm going to try to do them more frequently. I've not been the most frequent because trying to balance 3 channels is a little more difficult than I thought. But this is definitely one that I really enjoy and I want to do it and I want to put more into it. So my promise to you guys is that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a better job of pumping out videos, quality videos, stuff you want to see. I've had a lot of luck with my Canon stuff, so we're going to keep doing that. I've got a review coming up very soon for this bad boy, and yes, that is the red ring you see on it, which I am so excited about and I can't wait to share it with you. There's lots of cool stuff coming. Also some more tutorials, and I'm going to start digging into tutorials on Photoshop and Premiere Pro and Lightroom and After Effects and Illustrator and various other Adobe things. And we're also going to dig into some Studio One things because that's my preferred DAW when I'm doing music. And we may even have some guitar stuff coming up soon, so stay tuned. Don't give up on me quite yet. We're getting there. Things are looking up, so. By the way, y'all get to find out about the new move before the other channel because I haven't uploaded the other video yet, so y'all win. Sound good? Thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a boring little update video, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So I will see you next time. Don't forget to live that creative life. Love you guys. Bye.